Hey, what's going on, guys? It is Monday and I'm up at the shop. Russell's out mowing. And so this weekend, I worked on this truck. I got this truck you see behind me. We're gonna call this truck Old Mac. It's an 83 GMC long bed. And it runs, it drives, it doesn't have any rust on it. It's a solid truck. Well, I take that back. It has a little rust on it. All these trucks of this age, you're gonna find rust on them no matter what. This one has not very much rust on it. It's actually a really good truck, really good platform for us to build on. We're going to put some wheels on it, which we actually picked up this weekend. I'll show that to y'all. I started tearing out the interior. So pulled the seat, I cleaned it up, and that's where I found some rust in the floorboard. But it's like the size of a quarter, so it's not bad. We're just gonna fix this truck up and make it look cool and drop it and actually use it. So it's been sitting here for a while, purchased it a while back, but we're gonna use this truck now and we're gonna show you what all we're gonna do to it. So come on, guys. All right, here it is. You can see we wrote Old Mac on this. I don't know how long we've had this truck. We've had it for a little while. Let's take a look inside. Cab corners. This is all really good. There's no rust in here. Doors are in good shape. Bed's in good shape. There's no rust in the in the bed, normally where that happens. Inside, I started pulling it out. Somehow when there's getting some water down here, you can see, and it had this sound deadening. It's like a what is this, like a, I don't know, it's like insulation, like an insulation type of stuff right here. You can see this, and then it has the sound deadener on top of that, just this rubber stuff. So it had it up here, but it was all kind of messed up. It was definitely messed up in this driver's side where the feet had rubbed through the bottom and everything. So I pulled that out, and I pulled this other side out and found this was wet. So I went ahead and took it off, and then I started scraping up anything that I could scrape up. That way I could see what we needed to do to this truck. But the interior is in a really good spot too, because it's not really that bad. The seat looks good. The door panels look really good. For its age, there is a little sun damage there on the top. A little sun damage right here, but we're gonna try to see if we can salvage a lot of this interior. This dash is gonna need to be fixed, replaced, covered. Something's gonna have to happen for that. I'm trying to decide, is this brown or maroon? I found a maroon dash. I think this is like a maroon color. It's what it's supposed to look like. I'm not sure. I've got to order the new carpet, some insulation, dash covering, and we'll put a couple, we'll replace the speakers and get that thing sounding really good. So the way it's awesome to drive. We'll get the air conditioner fixed. It's got a I want to say it's got a 305 in it. And I am no mechanic, so I don't know how to tell you if it's a 305 or a 350. Somebody in the comments, tell me how you tell me. How you know it's a 305 or a 350. Everything's in good working order. Air conditioner, we're gonna get it checked out, see if it needs to be charged. This line looks kind of messed up. We're gonna fix whatever we got to fix on this truck to make it a good operational truck that we can jump in and drive every day. If that means we're putting fuel injection on it, we'll put fuel injection on it. I know it is making a noise, so we're gonna go to the mechanic, see what he says is up with it, and take care of that. But I'm gonna start working on cleaning it up, the outside. We're gonna figure out a way to make this patina. I don't like, you can see right here, it's got some clear coat on it, still left. The sun really got this door. Got a little dent right here. I took all the molding off. What they did on the bottom, the molding, how it starts coming off. Well, they took a rivet gun and riveted the molding back on. So we're gonna drill those out, get these rivets out of here and clean up this body. I'm gonna try to get the patina to look a little bit better. We're gonna try to patina this vehicle, and then we're gonna take it to Killian's and get a clear coat put on it, we think. So that's what we discussed yesterday. Plans always change on these trucks. So we'll if y'all have a better idea for this truck, let us know. We can definitely take some of the comments and read through them, and y'all might have a great idea what to do with this truck. We're just gonna, drop it. If you can figure out some ideas to do for this interior to make it look cool, leave those comments down below. I went ahead and pressure washed it and everything. Underneath, I got the Total Exterior Clean truck and pressure washed it with some hot water. But I knew we were about to work on it, so I started looking on Marketplace for some wheels and found some. So I got these Riddlers. I believe they're 605s. They're 18 by, what is that, like 8 or 9, 8? Probably 18 by 8 or something. And then we've got the 20 by 10s in the back. No, it's probably like it's probably a 9. Or, no, it's an 8. I don't know. But these are 20 by 10s. And so I'm about to clean these up, get these ready to put on old Mac, and I'm gonna order a drop kit and some interior pieces, and this thing's gonna be on the road looking freaking sharp. Who knows, we might sell it. So y'all stay tuned. All right, so I'm gonna show y'all a little trick that I learned on TikTok actually with the drill. You know how it always slips sometimes? So what the guy showed me on TikTok was you go ahead and tighten it regularly, you know, get it tight, and then click it back over and it locks it. And so now it won't, you know, come unlocked and fall out. The bits won't fall out anymore. So I thought it was a pretty cool trick, and now you know.